Today we're going to have a quick look at the new WordPress plugin, WP Tasty Pins. It's extremely easy to use, yet very powerful for what this means for your search engine optimization, or SEO. So let's take a quick look at adding an image first. So I'm going to come on over here. I'm in my WordPress dashboard, and I'm adding a new post here. So I'm going to just click on my Add Media button. And for now, I am just going to use this simple apple picture. So when I scroll down over here on the right-hand side, you will now see that I have an additional field called Pinterest text. Okay, so where before I would have entered in my Pinterest description down here in the alt text field, I will now enter that in the Pinterest text field. So let's just do a quick and easy description here. Apple recipes for all occasions. Apple recipes. Just to throw in a couple of hashtags there, and I've spelled occasions wrong like I usually do, so we'll fix that up. And then I'll come down here to my alt text field. Now this is the field that Google looks at for a description of the picture itself. Okay, so what I'm going to type in here is just simply red apple hanging on a tree. And that's all I have to do there. I've described the picture for Google, and I've also got my Pinterest text in there. Now, one other quick thing that I'm going to show you here is if I continue to scroll down, you'll see this new button here called, or checkbox called Disable Pinning. Now, obviously, not every image is created equal, and in this case, you know darn well that this, if you're a pinner anyway, you know that this is not going to be the best photograph or best image to pin because it's not vertical, and Pinterest does like those vertical pins. So what I could do is click on Disable Pinning. So this picture will not be pinnable, but I'm going to skip that for now, and I'm just going to insert this into my post. So there's my picture, and we've got the Pinterest. If I click on text here, you can see that I have got my source, and then here's my alt text for red apple hanging on a tree. And then if I come over here, there's a new field here called Data Pin Description, and it is my Pinterest description, 101 apple recipes for all occasions, and then my 2 hashtags. Okay, so there's another very, very cool feature in WP Tasty Pins, and if I scroll down here a little further, here it is here. It's called Tasty Pins Pinterest Hidden Image. So what I can do now is I can select another image. There's a variety of reasons why you might want to hide an image on the screen. For me, I like having multiple pins to choose from, yet I don't want to clutter up the page at all with too many graphics like that. So I will hide the image, and that way when I go to my Pinterest browser, it'll automatically bring up that all the available images that I can use. But I will show you that in just a minute. So what I'm going to do here is select another image, and let's scroll over here a little bit. So I'm going to select this picture with the green apples, and now I am going to come back down here, and I'm going to say again 101 apple recipes for all occasions, and I think I spelled occasions right that time. And we'll do apple and recipes again. Oops, and I'm putting that in completely the wrong spot. So we'll put that in our Pinterest text, And I'll delete it out of there. And then in my alt text, I am going to say 2 green apples hanging on a tree. So there we go for that. And now I can select that image. So if I scroll back up here, you will see that there is still only the one image showing. The other image is hidden. If I click on preview, sorry, my computer's running a tad slow, but if I click on preview, okay, so you will see that there is still only the one image there. But if I click on my Pinterest browser button, which is just out of screen here, you will now see that it's come up with the 2 images. There's the hidden image that's right there. So technically I could pin that image. Now that, again, going with the, we'll say that these images are appropriate for pinning, which they are obviously not, but you get the idea there. Alright, so that is WP Tasty Pins, a very quick and easy look at it and what you can do with it. If you want more information on it, please feel free to message me or shoot me an email at diane@whamcafe.com or leave me a comment below, and I'd be happy to talk more with you about it. Alright, so I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you next time.